Good morning. I'm Ben Daniel, the editor of Packaging Middle East and Africa magazine. I'm here at Gulf Print and Pack exhibition at the N Digitech stand, and I'm here with the CEO of N Digitech, Vache Kavlakian. Welcome. Good to see you, Mr.
Good
Vache.
to see you always.
And I'm also with Shahi Kavlakian, who is the executive manager of the company. Yeah. Good to see you, Shahi. It's a pleasure to once again come back together to meet each other in person, I suppose. Please take us through your journey of these 2.5, 3 years, where we all went through a little bit of unpleasant experience, but it also gave us a lot of pleasant experience also of innovation. So please take us through the journey of N Digitech.
Thank you, Ben. N Digitech has been always part of big events, and today this event is really amazing. It's really amazing to see the people, our network, our industry joining and gathering together after a long time, seeing people in person, seeing the customers, meeting suppliers. That's really amazing. So N Digitech, as you said, had very challenging days last 3 years, but thanks God that we did well, we managed it well, thanks to our know-how, our expertise, our people, our network, our customers, and of course our suppliers. So now N Digitech again, we are opening a new era in the industry, and has been always our niche markets are packaging, digital printing, services, 360 services. As you know, N Digitech is a very diversified, creative technologies company, which we deployed all our creativity and technologies. We deployed for printing, packaging, and digital media industries. So N Digitech, our main and core business is pre-press and pre-media. We are pioneers in the region and worldwide in pre-press and the pre-media. We developed a lot of our own customized systems to serve pre-press industries through our expertise, through our know-how and technologies. We've always been pioneers in developing such a new automations and new solutions for our customers. Every morning we wake up thinking how we can serve our customers better and better. That's always been our approach. And today in the show, mainly we are demonstrating our core competencies as well as our two state-of-art products, online products. One of that is DubaiPrint.com, which been 5 years we are developing, and now it's reached in a very mature and very successful growth and achievements. We have more than 350 products that you can order online. And we are catering regional and international customers. The second, our new launching, which Mr. Shai can give better idea, it's our new state-of-art flexoeasy.com, which will cater also pre-media and pre-press services online. And both of these products, we consider it as a future of the industry. Thank you.
Shahi, if I can ask you about this new venture, or new vertical that you have come up with, which is flexoeasy.com. I know, as Mr. Vache was mentioning, you have pioneered and you have really proved that you're the leading player when it comes to flexo pre-press. And now tell us a bit more about this flexoeasy.com. What is it and why this venture? What are you expecting and what do you expect from the market?
As Mr. Vache said, also, we saw a lot of opportunity during this period to introduce to the market the online solution, state-of-the-art, flexoeasy.com, to serve our clients better and a more efficient way for the delivering the pre-media and the pre-press services for any kind of the requirement for the plates for any industry, flexible packaging, labels, and the corrugated. So simply our target, we create some platform, user-friendly, very simple interface that we can approach with any kind of the knowledge and the experience for any users. And we simplify the process for the ordering the flexo plate very uniquely and very simplified and the quality-based oriented services that we are approaching. Of course, in this project, basically we target our new clients globally. So we increase the potential for the customers more globally, more geographically, more locations. And the most important for the printing presses that they own their setups, and the people they are thinking about to have their own facility, and we are targeting to close that pre-press knowledge and pre-press expertise, which is very missing in the market. We believe that NDigitech has a unique potential to serve that gap and to close that gap with our more than 20 years experience and the knowledge for the Flexo. It has been our DNA. So we are thinking all the solutions, and our approach every time to find the problem in the market and give the proper and solving that issue. So
Right.
this is always all the intention. So I encourage for the industry to go out and check out the flexoeasy.com and what we did in this unique platform. And we are always ready to hear from our customers the feedback that we can go further for any improvement.
Brilliant. Thank you. Mr. Vache, this is another very important quick question for you. Flexo has grown gradually. It has matured and it has evolved, and it's been growing for the past, let's say, 1 decade, last 10 years or so. It's last 4 or 5 years especially, it's really growing at a faster pace than what it was before. But still, this particular region, Middle East and Africa, is predominantly, when it comes to wide web, it is a rotogravure industry. And it is slowly changing. People are invested, but you will be the right person to give us an idea how fast this is growing. Are flexible packaging printers investing in CI Flexo and Flexo related wide format printing very fast, or is it still not up to the level of Europe and let's say North America?
So I will answer your question in two different approaches. Number one, that in my opinion, it's not growing Flexo slowly. It's a very fast and rapidly it's growing, and we've seen this last 5-6 years. And thanks for new technologies of Flexo is as a hardware and software, it's progressing and improving very rapidly worldwide. It's a not solid technology, it's a daily change technologies, and thanks to the diversity and marketing strategies of brand owners, so that Flexo gaining more ground. In the other way, in my opinion, it's not about anymore about the Flexo or Roto or output that people are giving. It's about the technology and about the services that can provide to the customer. At the end, in my opinion, customer doesn't care, and a user or the brand owner doesn't know or doesn't care about what kind of printing machines you are utilizing to give him the final product. It's all about the services, automation of that services, the digitalization of that service, and the quality of that service. So whatever you are doing, whoever is doing, how you are approaching to give the print output, and diversity is the key, in my opinion, in this point. The people or the packaging converters should rapidly go to digitalization process. So that's my answer. And the better service, better solution, better quality, faster approach, and sustainability will play the keywords for the future for better businesses.
All right. Thank you. One last question, if I may ask you. We see many other repro houses around the region, and you are the leading repro house, if I can put it that way, supplying. Yeah. So give me a little more details about how do you see this industry growing, because this are we seeing a lot of demand and there is less supply, or supply is more and demand is less, and we have many players in the region. So is there scope for more technology to come, or the existing ones evolving? What's your take on this growth?
Thank you, Ben, for this question. Really great question, and my answer will be almost the same what I said for the packaging and printing industry. So not anymore about plate making or file preparation. It's all about entire integration of the all processes, quality control, automation, digitalization of the services. So we don't consider ourselves that we are making plates. Plate is one of our outputs. So we do pre-press technologies. We give pre-press solutions and pre-media services for our customers. Before 15 years, we were thinking that this business will sustain another 5 years. But now, after 15 years, we can assure you that another 15, 20 years, this business will sustain. Thanks for the technologies and so whoever will catch up with the services, qualities, quality control processes. Today, we have customers that we integrate together state-of-art solutions worldwide, and not only we are part of a global pre-media network. We are one of the rare companies in that association. Thanks for our quality, our vision, and I can tell you that whoever, all repro houses, they have a room to grow if they go through this service and quality orientation. But if any repro house or any entity that will go to the shortcuts and price competition, they will not sustain long. That's my opinion, humble opinion.
Thank you very much. To just wrap it off, one really last question I want to ask you about the digitization which you spoke about. But let's talk about digital print for packaging or for labeling. This sector was a very small sector, very niche, with a very few big players having a small machine which was digital 10 years back or 4-5 years back. Also, people were reluctant to invest in digital labeling technology. Now it's not the same. All the big printers, medium-sized printers are investing in this. And you are the major supplier of plates to all of them. So I know that you are also specialized in digital printing. So what is your current approach or state, and what is your future what are you looking for the future when it comes to digital print?
Definitely, there's a big room to digital printing to grow. Still, it's there is a big gap to fulfill with the digital. And again, as I said, at the end of the story, it's not about how you print. It's how you make the full package of service to the customer. You print digital, or you print flexo, or you print water washable. That's your choice. But at the end, customer is looking for a good service, automated collaboration, automated correspondence and approach. So good price, efficient quality. So all this will be packaged and encapsulated in solutions and services. And digital printing still has a big room to grow in that package.
That packaging. Brilliant. Gentlemen, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure, and all the very best.
Thank you. Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.